Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's the new, simple method to add ManyChat to your website using the pixel code. First, log into your ManyChat dashboard. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Pixel tab in the sidebar and click on it. You'll see a box labeled Website Code. This is the code you need. Click the Copy button to copy the entire code snippet. Now, go to your website's backend or admin panel. You need to paste this code into the header section of your website, which means it should appear on every page. If you're using WordPress, you can install a free plugin like Insert Headers and Footers to easily add the code without touching your theme files. For other platforms like Shopify or Wix, look for the Custom Code or Code Injection section in your theme settings. Paste the ManyChat code there. Save your changes, and you're done. Refresh your website, and the ManyChat widget will now be active. It's that simple. No need to mess with growth tools or widgets anymore. If this new method worked for you, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.